This is the one. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here's another Marc Jacob shop with me. Prices shown here are in Dubai currency and that's dirhams. If you are new in this channel, hi, my name is Chen. If you love shop with me, travel vlog, outfit ideas, bag review, please consider subscribing and smash that notification bell so you'll be notified if I have a new videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Take care everyone. Nice. Because of the top handle.
You can
Yeah, adjust it, right?
remove the strap.
Yeah, you can. Look at this one, guys. It's so nice. It's more for traveling. And these are the strap. Ah, mayroon palang mas maliit. The next size of this one. There's, yeah, you didn't have, maybe there. You didn't have this. Yeah, this is too small actually. But I like the soft touch. It's more like little bit bigger than the Snapshot. Yeah, my sister has size.
Sabi ko maganda yun kasi yung strap. Kasi yung strap ng Marc Jacob.
Yeah, better buy the one with the Marc Jacob. Yeah.
Bili ka na lang din ng strap.
Separately. I like that. Kasi, shopping. Perfect size. Magkano this? This is 1,800. This is the soft touch. It's how much is this? This is 1,960. This is in dirhams. This is a soft touch. It's nice.